So there's an update for the Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake. I just wanted to go over the previous one, which was 1.003004 for the PlayStation 5, which was 15.72 gigabytes. So let's check for the update here. Let's see. It didn't really tell us. The size. Maybe it's very small. I don't know the size. Let's cancel and delete it. Try to re-download. Let's see if we can get the size of this. So it's 190 megabytes, and it's going to be for the update 1.004, or we can just call it 1.4. It's loading up slowly. And now let's look at the new information. There doesn't seem to be much different. It's still 15.72 gigabytes. So no added, or at least it's not noticeable, even though it was almost 200 megabytes in size. It didn't really seem to add any extra space to it. Alright, here from the official site, it seems that we have some updates. Notes. They added Arabic language support added, fixed an issue where the event to obtain the light key in chapter 4 would not progress correctly, fixed the issue to improve game stability, and other minor bug fixes. And then it also has fixed an issue where the achievement trophies were sometimes not unlocked when obtaining a spirit stone. That's it. Then if you have the digital art book and digital soundtrack, yeah, I think that's pretty much it for that, and nothing groundbreaking added to the game. I think the only issue that I had, sometimes it would crash after defeating the Kasab. I think that's where it crashed the most. I think I had at least 3 or 4 crashes after defeating him, and then it just crashed for some reason. I think it crashed randomly some other time. Mainly that was me. Maybe they fixed it. That's it for the update. Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake.